Your doctor just quoted you $4,000 to $5,000 a year for testosterone therapy. Legitimate online TRT programs typically cost $200 to $300 a month all in. So what's going on here? Is online testosterone therapy sketchy, or is the traditional medical system just inefficient? Let me break down the real numbers, exactly where your money goes in both cases, why licensed online TRT is completely legitimate, and how to tell the difference between a real medical service and a scam. Traditional clinic, what you're actually paying for. At a traditional clinic, you're paying for multiple specialist visits, repeat lab work, pharmacy markups, and quarterly follow-ups. Here's what that usually looks like. You start with an initial visit to a specialist, typically an endocrinologist or urologist. Without great insurance, that's $200 to $400 out of pocket just to be seen. Then, labs get ordered. A comprehensive hormone panel runs $150 to $300 if insurance doesn't fully cover it. 2 weeks later, another appointment to review results, another $200 to $400. If testosterone is prescribed, you're now dealing with retail pharmacy pricing. Injectable testosterone often costs $100 to $200 per month, depending on dose and insurance. Then come follow-up visits every 3 months, another $200 to $400 each time. When you add it all up, most men spend $3,500 to $5,000 in the first year, and $2,000 to $3,000 every year after that. And that's before you factor in time off work, sitting in waiting rooms, and dealing with insurance and pharmacy headaches. Why online TRT costs less, without cutting corners. Now let's look at legitimate online testosterone therapy. And I want to be clear here. I'm talking about real telehealth services with licensed US physicians, not gray market websites. The reason online TRT costs less isn't because it's lower quality. It's because these clinics do one thing only: hormone optimization. No waiting rooms, no massive overhead, no insurance middlemen. Here's the typical breakdown. Initial consultation, $59 to $249. This includes a full medical intake and physician review. Lab work. Some services include it, others charge separately, usually $50 to $150. You go to a local Quest or LabCorp, in and out in about 15 minutes. If you're a candidate, your medication comes from a licensed US compounding pharmacy. With reputable services, this is included in the monthly cost. Monthly pricing, typically $199 to $329 all in. That covers medication, provider access, follow-ups, and monitoring. That puts most men at $2,500 to $4,000 the first year, and $2,400 to $3,900 annually after. So yes, you're usually saving $500 to $1,500 per year, plus a lot of time and frustration. The question everyone asks, is this legal and safe? Yes, if the service follows proper medical standards of care. Legitimate online TRT must include physicians licensed in your state, documented lab confirmation before prescribing, FDA-approved medications or compounds from 503A U.S. pharmacies, ongoing monitoring and follow-up labs. If any of those are missing, it's not telemedicine, it's malpractice. Reputable services like Olaris Med and a small number of others operate as management services organizations. They don't sell testosterone. They connect patients with licensed physicians who practice via telehealth. The sketchy sites? They don't verify physicians. They skip labs or they ship from overseas. Those are the ones giving online medicine a bad name. What the legitimate process actually looks like. Here's how real online TRT works. Step 1. You complete a detailed medical questionnaire. Symptoms, history, medications. Takes about 10 minutes. Step 2. A licensed physician reviews your case within 24 to 48 hours. Step 3. If appropriate, labs are ordered at a local Quest or LabCorp. Step 4. Your doctor reviews the results. If testosterone is truly low and there are no red flags, treatment is prescribed. Step 5. Medication ships to your door from a US pharmacy with clear instructions. Step 6. Ongoing access to your provider, regular check-ins, and monitoring labs to ensure safety. From start to finish, the process usually takes 1 to 2 weeks. Who online TRT makes sense for? Online TRT may be a good fit if you are over 35 with symptoms like low energy, brain fog, low libido, depression, or difficulty building muscle. Have already optimized sleep, diet, exercise, and stress, and still feel off. Want care from doctors who specialize in hormone optimization. Value convenience and don't want endless office visits. Who should not do TRT? TRT is not for everyone. It's not a good idea if you're under 30, you're actively trying to conceive, you have untreated serious medical conditions, you're looking for a shortcut instead of doing the work. TRT helps, but it's not magic. I'm involved with Olaris Med because I've seen what happens when men fall through the cracks, told their labs are normal while they feel anything but. If that sounds like you, visit olarismed.com. Link is in the description. Complete the medical intake and a licensed provider will review your case. No pressure, no guarantees. If you're not a candidate, they'll tell you why and what to focus on instead. We offer care in both English and Spanish, so if you prefer Spanish, check out at Olaris Med. Hit subscribe for more content on hormone therapy, weight loss, and men's health optimization. And in the next video, I'll break down the biggest TRT myths, including why normal testosterone doesn't always mean healthy. See you in the next one.